YouTube fam, this is TeCrypto Studio. Thank you for catching us up in this part.
As we told, we want to explain to you and talk about the subject of the monetize from the cryptocurrency.
And if you want to have a better understanding of this part, please check the previous video. Stay tuned with us.
The fourth method for earning money from digital currency, by the way, the new one, is providing liquidity for DeFi. DeFi is decentralized financial markets, and many of these are based on liquidity pools and make a variety service to customers. Participating in this liquidity is one of the ways to earn money from digital currencies. Most of these platforms work with a concept called liquidity pool. These pools play an important role in the defense network ecosystem and have liquidity needed to lend exchange tokens on DXs, DSEXs, and so on. The liquidity required for these pools is provided by liquidity providers. Like this, they are in fact users who invest in the smart contracts of these platforms and make profit and return through various means such as transaction fees. The important point of this method is identify. This is identify and coherent platform with attractive and user-friendly ideas. In addition, we must always keep in mind that it is possible to hack cash pools. Wow! So we have to consider the security aspects.
Our next stop, the next method is arbitraging. In arbitrage, traders look for cryptocurrencies that have different prices in different markets. Arbitrage profits are made by buying in the cheap market and selling in the expensive market. Arbitrage is a special method of trading in which a particular asset is traded at different prices in different markets. So, in the end, some definite profit is generated. For example, if the price of Bitcoin is $50,000 in one exchange and $51,000 in another, you can make some profit by buying in the cheaper exchange and selling in the more expensive exchange. The point about this style of trading is the correct calculation of the exchange fees, transaction fees on blockchains, and the correct observation of the order book, and the amount of requests registered in the desired price range.
The sixth ways, and one of the important ways to earning money from digital currency, is mining. And maybe you heard about mining or miner in the cryptocurrencies world. In this field, they exist in networks that work based on proof of work or POW algorithm. Bitcoin is the largest blockchain, has the largest mining community, and from largest companies to ordinary people. They are mining this popular currency. This method was possible in the past with home computers, but today it is economically justified only by using a special device called miner. Extraction is possible in networks that work according to the POW algorithm. In this method, users participating in processing of network transaction by receiving approaching equipment and receiving rewards. An important point in this method is the interest of technical and hardware challenge. Hardware challenge and technical knowledge providing suitable space with the network equipment and cooling system, the cost of electricity, internet, and etc.
In addition to the methods introduced so far, there are other ways to monetize cryptocurrencies, some of which are almost obsolete or not very popular. For example, in the early years of Bitcoin, there were websites that offered 1 to 10 Bitcoins in exchange for registering, playing games, or even viewing ads. This type of coin distribution is called a faucet. Of course, there are still such sites, but working on any of them is not worth the time or money spent. Another way is to participate in airdrop or the free distribution of tokens and receive free currency. Many startup projects use this method to promote and increase their users. By studying the goals and examining the project team, the future of that network can be predicted, and if the project progresses, the price of the relevant cryptocurrency will definitely increase and the airdrop participants will benefit well. Finally, like many other fields, there are many job opportunities and side effects in the crypto world. Today, many people work as blockchain developers, web designers, graphic designers, writers, analysts, digital marketers, etc. in crypto companies and earn some money from the world of cryptocurrencies.
Okay, in this video, we introduce the most attractive ways to earn money from cryptocurrencies. The big world of cryptocurrencies is a small branch of a larger world called financial markets, and many are operating and making a profit in this market.
We hope that by watching this video, you will have a better understanding of monetization opportunities in the crypto space, and it will always be successful and profitable. We would love to know what you think of this video. Hit us up at Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, links below. Final point, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Bye!